Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones both continued the bullish momentum so far for the day with the European session. Big day today again. We have inflation data, we have the Fed's interest rate decision and the rate projections, and the Chairman Powell's speech. What to expect, how to profit with the data? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who it was the first update must have already profited, as we had expected a rise with the European session. Now, what to expect, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update. The subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones. See Nasdaq 100 here. First of all, a stronger rise, retracement, stronger rise, consolidation, and it is still looking upwards. Now we have to wait for it to break beyond 19 to 40 to 50 60 zone, which is going to be a greater resistance zone. Any move beyond 19 to 60 should take it towards 19,320 and in fact 19,400 levels. It has waited enough for the moving averages to climb up. Now 19,200 is going to be a very good support, as we have discussed earlier in the day that a selling entry is only below 19,000. The stochastic rising, the MACD. Look at MACD, it has crossed over for a sell. It is trading with divergence. In fact, despite the candles are green, it is still trading with the selling side. The RSI is very near to top. Coming to two on the 2 hour charts, look at the movement here, the rise, enough consolidation, breakout, taking the support, and this is the first move. It can continue to trade bullish. Do not see that it is trading overbought or something, but yes, I do see that it is trading still with extreme bullishness. There has to be a slight retracement, though right now I can see no signs of it, and the prices are very much consolidated within a zone. Thus, if you see it staying beyond 19,260, that is the time you can buy. Else, see the retracement 19,150 levels, the 20 period moving average are going to be very good support. Then 19,100, below 19,100 and 19,080 zone is where the bears will be seen here. Else, it is still not to be treated bearish. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is also in green. The RSI is also near to overbought levels. If you look at 3 hour, look at the 3 hour charts, the rise, retracement. See, it was consolidated in a first bullish candle, and right now I can see it staying in the zone. Now, staying in the zone does not mean that it is turned bearish or bullish. It is right now very much trying to find a direction. Thus, once you see it staying beyond 19,260, certainly more bullish momentum is seen here. And if you look at the movement here, see, this is the breakout. This is the sideways movement, and again a breakout. And this may continue for a while, as it has seen the support very recently. Now, on the downside, the support levels at 19, 150, 100, and 080 are very strong. Stochastic overbought here. So see, this is again a warning sign for us that it is trading overbought. It does not mean that it cannot continue here for overbought levels, but certainly the pressure on the upside, it may not try to stretch much. If you look at MACD, this is crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. See the rise, the retracement, and it appears that it can try to strike the double top here. The RSI again overbought here. Coming to 4, look at the 4 hour chart, the rise, the retracement, taking the support from the 20 period. Again, it is trying to bounce back. So see, whenever it tries to take a support, move is definitely a stronger one. We have seen that happening, but I can see the movement right now confining itself and restaining itself from a breakout. So we have to wait for a breakout, clear breakout, for it to continue with the upside. Stochastic is extremely overbought here. Now see, here also it was overbought, and see what we have seen, a stronger rise from 18,700 to 19,100 levels. 400 points it is captured, staying in this overbought zone. So it does not mean that it cannot continue here in the overbought zone. Look at MACD, it is again crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upside. One thing is very clear, that upside has to be very limited. Even if it hits 19,400, the chances of a pullback will be very strong. The RSI is again overbought here. Coming to the daily charts. Now, before we look into daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30-second mentorship batch commencing soon. The 31st batch started this week. In this batch, we are going to share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can trade profitably and comfortably. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, you can connect with me over the shared contact details over Telegram or email for further queries. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers a SEP-free account, lowest spreads, and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker also in the channel and video description. Now, look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can see, divide this into two symmetrical formation. What preceded this was a drop, and what followed this is a rise. Now it is continuing to trade in this bullish channel here, and this is almost hitting at the highs of the channel. So it is very, very important for it to come out of this channel, which means 19,260, 19,300 levels to be taken. Beyond that, we can look forward to 19,400 and in fact 19,550 plus levels. What also you can see here is rise retracement taking the support. It is continuing on the upside, continuation of the bullish momentum. Look at the daily charts again and you will find that a very good support is formed. Look at these two candles comes with the tails, and the closing at the top suggests that the bullish momentum is still continuing here, and today again it can exert much of the pressure on the upside here. So this is one thing which suggests that it is still not to be treated bearish. Stochastic is overbought, but I can definitely say that it is right now staying at a slightly overbought level, slightly alarming levels on the daily, weekly, and 4-hour charts. Yes, it is looking upwards, but look at the levels at which it is. So if you see a rise with the inflation data, it suggests that possibly with the interest rate projections coming in and the Chairman Powell's speech, we can see a complete reversal as well. This is something you should be cautious of. If you look at the RSI, this is thus looking at this, I will recommend you to buy Nasdaq 100 at 19,260 levels, and if it stays above 19,260, 19,310, 321st target 19,400 the next. Remember, the later in the day when the rate projections and the Powell's speech or press conference will be there, the prices may reverse. Thus, you should be trading with caution. Beyond 19,400, it is going to trade extremely bullish. We can in fact wait for 19,550, 600 zone as well. On the downside, a selling entry at 19,200. Expect 19,150 at the first target, 19,080, 19,100 at the next. Below that, slight bearishness will be seen. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. See US 30 on the hourly chart, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. It is trying to stay in this zone. It is trying to trade in this channel. And now it is very, very important for it to break beyond 38,900. That is going to be one key level. What has happened so far for the day? You can see the resistances earlier is now going to be the support. Rise and now consolidation. See, there is no direction so far, but yes, we can see a very good support is seen at 38,760, which was the resistance. Yes, see this, these are the resistances level, and now with this as support, it is trying to trade. So 38,740, 760 is the zone it needs to break in order to trade bearish here. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD is in green, the RSI is flat. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts, a flat bottom in a consolidation zone, a breakout here. But the resistances are strong here and it is trying to confine its movement within this zone. Also, we must see the drop, the retracement. The drop is retracement. It is trying to trade in this bearish channel. It has a scope till 38,850, 860. And once it stays above 38,900, stay bullish. Stochastic near to top. The MACD is trading with slight divergence. RSI is running flat here. And if you look at the 3-hour, see, look at the 3-hour chart. See, it is showing a V-shaped recovery, which means it can aspire to achieve 38,850, 860 zone or 38,850, 880 zone. And then if it breaks 38,900, then we can say it is continuing the V-shaped recovery, and we can look forward to 39,000, 39,200 zone, which is going to be a greater resistance. And I have always maintained that it is going to be a great resistance for US 30 to break past by. Stochastic at overbought, MACD crossed over for the buys, RSI running flat, coming to 4. Now look at 4-hour chart. See, bigger tails here. With bigger tails, we have seen it rising. Still, I can see lower highs, lower lows here. We have to be cautious as long as 38,880, 900 zone is not taken. Though right now it appears to be trading with a slight bullish bias. The stochastic overbought, MACD is bearish. We have to wait for a crossover for here in order to confirm the bullishness. RSI flat. Coming to on the daily chart, see, look at the bearishness here. See this one and this one. This is forming a nice flag formation. It has to certainly stay above 38,900 levels, and this will confirm the reversal only and only if it stays above 38,900. We can say US 30 is reversed. Else, what may happen? Hitting the lower highs, it can try to reverse and it can achieve lower lows. What are the lower lows? 38,400 levels. But look at the preceding candle. The body size is small. The tail is big. Suggests that it can try to give a breakout on. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD, look at the MACD forming double bottom on the verge of a crossover. This can lead to bullishness. The RSI is running flat. Now, again, I am saying today could be more swings. We can see a rise followed with a drop, or we can see a drop followed with a rise. Yes, it can trade or give you good swings. And thus you have to trade with the trailing stop loss and with the stop loss at your entry price. Do not miss to take your trade without a stop loss today. And thus take your positions accordingly. I will recommend you to buy at 38,820, while a selling entry is at 38,740. For these 80 points, do not take a trade. On the upside, be careful at around 38,860, 38,900 zone. Very good resistance there. Beyond this, I will look forward to 39,050, 39,100 as the first target zone, and in fact 39,200 can be seen. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 38,740 levels. Expect 38,700, 650, 600 till 600. Very good. Below 38,600 is where the bearishness will prevail, and you can look forward to 38,500 and 400 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.